time period, our quarterly compound period, and we're going to say in a moment that x equals 1. So this question's asking for an a value, and conveniently we've got a 1 plus 4% divided by 4 is a 1.01, to the power of 1 divided by a quarter is a 4, and so we've really got a times a number. We could divide both sides by whatever this number is, and what should come out is how much we need to start with. Should be a lot of money because we only have a year of growth. So in our calculator, we can say that we've got $8,000 divided by 1.01 to the power of 4. What comes out is 7687.84. So we need to start with $7,687.84, and we're really only going to grow a little bit more than $200 to make the $8,000 we need. So arguably 1 year is not really enough time to make $8,000 in a very, very quick way. Our last question is a little bit more straightforward. You invest $10,000 into a high-yield mutual fund investment that pays 12% per annum, compounded semi-annually. How much money will you have after 30 years? Feel free to pause this video and give it a try, but ultimately this is a straightforward, how much money do you accumulate? So we're starting with a, b to the x over p. We start with $10,000. We've got a base of 1 plus 12% compounded semi-annually, so we're breaking this up into two groups to the power of x over semi-annually, a 1/12 of a year. And so we can say $10,000, 1.06, and again you could type this in as you see it, but 6% is 12% divided by 2, and we're saying for 30 years, so 30 divided by a half gives us a very, very nice power when we're wanting to have this to be a big number. And in your calculator we're typing in $10,000 times 1.06 to the power of 60. How much does $10,000 become for 30 years at a crazy 12% interest rate? $329,876.91. So really, this is becoming from $10,000, $329,876.91. So when we're talking about investing, a lot can happen from something like $10,000 if you're willing to just leave it tucked away in an account for 30 years. But you have to have $10,000 to be able to do that. And you have to get 12%, which is not something that a bank likely gives freely. That is the end of your chapter 3, talking about solving exponential equations, important to practice, talking about compound interest, and again, diploma questions will ask, how long will it take to accumulate to something? How much do you need to start with? And sometimes the more straightforward, how much will something accumulate to? Good luck in your practice.